class today, we'll be studying the nature of light. And again, Mr. Smithford. You may not take your seat.
Yes, Mr. Bonkers, I shall take this seat.
No, must have left it in the bathroom.
Like, wow, did you forget something, Smith nerd? Get one.
That's a good one. Hey, Mr. Dice, don't be mean because he's smarter than everyone else in this classroom. Now, since you're so loud, why don't you answer this question? Hey, Revan, wake up!
Like, what do you need, bro, man?
Answer this question. What is the atom's importance in the nature of a light?
Like, isn't it the guy who eats the apple or something? Or, like, the family of crazy people? I, like, totally don't get this, Mr. Bonkers.
Mr. Bonkers, Mr. Bonkers.
That's it.
Yes. Do you, Glenn, out of everyone in this classroom, have an answer?
Why, of course I do, Mr. Bonkers. The atom is the source of all forms of light, whether visible or invisible.
How did you know this lesson before we've gone over it?
Mr. Bonkers! Mr. Bonkers!
What do you want now, Revan?
I want to go to the bathroom.
Go ahead. I don't care.
And so he went.
You out, Glenn.
My book? How dare you? What is your will, Revan Dice?
I challenge you to a science duel. I have gained knowledge from this noble book.
Oh, dang.
And I shall defeat you.
Oh, yeah? Bring it on, Revan. Or shall I say, Lane? And...
Oh! I see how it is. I see how it is. Let's do this thing.
Alright, Glenn, before we start the science duel, take the book from over here and take a seat right here.
Alright.
Welcome to the Science Duel. I'll be the host of the competition and ask the questions. You two each will have 10 seconds to answer. Since this is a chapter we haven't gone over yet, you each can use your book. Now, are you two ready to start the duel?
Yes, I shall prevail.
No, I shall prevail.
Now let the battle begin. This is your first question. These are moving the nucleus of an atom and are located in different energy levels. Their location is a cloud. What is it? 5, 4, 3.
I got it. The answer is electrons.
Yes, Reverend, that is correct. And you now have 1 point.
I'm so stupid.
Question 2. Light is made up of a stream of this, also known as tiny packets of energy. What is it? 5, 4, 3.
I know, it's a photon.
That is correct, Glenn. And here's question 3. Where does an electron go when it absorbs energy? 5, 4.
It's
It goes to the next energy level.
Yes, that is correct, Glenn. You're now in the lead with 2 points.
Missing clip. Electrons located in a certain level within the electron cloud have a specific amount of points.
I got it. It's,
a certain amount of energy.
Alright, that is correct. You guys are now tied, and this is the last question. Here's a catch. You cannot use any of your books. Put them away. Electrons release this as a form of tiny packet of energy to create a particle of light called photon. What is it? There is no time limit.
Oh, this is hard.
Magicality.
Reverend, that is incorrect. You will now lose the duel if Glenn can get this question right.
The answer is Smorga Gentleman.
Those answers are both incorrect. The correct answer was absorbed energy. No one won. You both tied.
That's not fair. It's obvious I'm the smarter one.
No, I'm the smarter one.
You both are smart, but not smarter than each other. You see, you guys both failed because you didn't have the answer form out of the book. This duel was almost like a pop quiz. You guys didn't study the subject, so you were unprepared. But when you did have the book, you guys got the correct answer. You see from this, I think we all learned today that anyone can be smart. All you have to do is study.
It all makes sense now. I wasn't smart because of Glenn's book. I was smart because I actually studied and tried to learn.
Yeah, what he said.
Now let us all stand.
Yeah.
That I need is time for me to breathe. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. I cannot take this anymore. Saying everything I said before. All these words, they make no sense. I find bliss in ignorance. Less I hear, the less.
It's probably gonna get off. If it's on your clothes, it's stuck on your clothes.
You got it on your clothes.
No, I didn't.
That's cloth. Wait, is that?
No.
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 Look right there.
That's what I thought.
That's the buttons.
Oh.
Revan, wake up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Jeremy.
You ruined it.
Don't clap after they clap. Let Garrett do the clapping. It's like right next to the camera.
Oh my god.
Jeremy, did you do that? Oh my god, Jeremy.
did it. Jesus Christ.
Oh, wow. Jeremy, so help me God, I will kill you.
So help me God.
We're gonna get married by the end of the day. Weird. That is correct. Sorry, my friend.
gonna murder people. Do-do-do.
Forward.
Oh god. Gain knowledge from this novel book.
Novel book.
Oops.
From this novel
Noble.
book. Shut up, Reverend Dice.
Ow, I hit
Can't tell a teacher to shut up.
Shut up.
Wake your mother up!
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Recording.
shut up.
Alright, come on, stop it.
Bloopers.
Oh my god. I don't want you in my class anymore. I hate you.
Isn't it like that guy who eats the apple or something, or the family of Matt?
Oh, I got the shot.
Glenn Smith nerd, I am calling you out.
That's my book. How dare
Glenn Smith nerd, I'm calling you out.
That's my book. How dare you, Reverend Dice? What is your will?
I challenge you to a science duel.
No, you have to say. Or,
That's first name.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Say blame on. Dude,
It's his fault.
it's not his fault.
Ow. Oh, ow.
Throwing knife.
Now finish the scene.
100 points.
Action.
In this noble book, and I shall defeat you.
Oh yeah.
You forgot your line, didn't you?
Go.
First, Jeremy, take the book from over here and take a seat.
It's not Jeremy, it's Glenn.
Oh yeah.
That's not fair. It's obvious I'm the smarter one.
No, I'm the smart. Oh, I stared at the
Look
camera.
Damn it.
No, just go straight to him.
Yeah. Get up at the same time. Sit back down.
Alright, say that again.
Stand up over here and then jump.
Yeah, what he said. Mr. Bonkers, Mr. Bonkers.
And then I hurry and I get back up.
You're not hurrying to get back up.
I look around and no one.
I thought you were
noticed.
gonna bend over and like fart. Like it's just like a
Yeah, like-
camera, so it's just like meh.